Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another video of Electropixels. Today, in this video, we are going to repair this 43-inch LG 4K Smart LED TV. Here in this TV, the complaint is double image along with horizontal lines on the display. See friends, this is the fault. As we discussed earlier in the previous videos, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides of the glass panel gate signals are short, then it is not repairable. If shorting is in any one side of the panel, then we can repair this TV using a temporary solution. Here we already opened the backer of the TV. See, this is the power supply board and this is the motherboard. It's a 4K Smart TV motherboard. Here actually the T-con board of the panel is integrated with this motherboard. Here you can see two FFC cables that goes directly to the panel scalar board. So to check the complaint is in which side of the panel, we need to disconnect these FFC cables one by one and check the display. See friends, here we disconnected the right side FFC cable. Here you can see half portion of the display shows clear white screen and another half portion shows clear black screen. Now let's reconnect the right side FFC cable. Now let us remove the left side FFC cable and check the picture. See, now the left side FFC cable is removed. See friends, you can see now the picture comes, but you can see a white shading on the screen. See, another half of the portion shows double image. So we can make sure that the complaint is with the right side gate signal tracks. So here we need to reconnect the left side FFC cable. Now using a temporary method, we can remove this panel shorting by blocking the gate signals entering to the panel. So here we using the taping method. Using taping method, we can mask the signals entering to the panel from the motherboard to the panel scalar board. So here we need to block the first 15 pins using this taping method. Always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is panel replacement, and we cannot predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. See friends, at present condition, after blocking the gate signals from the right side FFC cable using taping method, now the display is clear. Now there is no double image or horizontal lines on the display. See, at present condition, now the TV is repaired successfully. Always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement. So that's it. Now the TV is repaired successfully. So hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.